So we just finished the header and created the drop-down menu that would show up when you clicked on the hamburger menu. And the last thing we have left is to do these social media icons in the bottom. Now, one of the ways to do that is use Font Awesome. Font Awesome is a great little tool. They do a lot of really cool fonts that are actually small images. So to start, let's do Google Font Awesome. And let's go ahead and follow the first link here. That's Font Awesome. Now, there is a pay version, but for what we need, a free version is going to be fine. So if we click Start Using Free, you can see here it tells you exactly how to do it. Gives you this link, REL, style sheet, and a link to Font Awesome. So I'm going to click on the copy code, and then let's go over to our web page, and we'll just add that into the top of, since this is a link and it's a style sheet, it goes in the header. And let's go ahead and load it before my style sheet, and that's quite a long link, so glad we were able to copy and paste it. Now, that won't really do us any good until we figure out how to use it. So I'm going to go ahead and save it. Nothing's going to change on our web page yet because we haven't really done anything. But let's go ahead and go back to the Font Awesome website and add icons to your UI. Okay, find the right icon. So let's go ahead and find the right icon. Let's start with Etsy. See if they have anything for Etsy. And they do, right here, Etsy. So we'll click on this. And this is going to tell us exactly how to use Etsy. And this right here is the code that we need. Click to copy code. So copied. And let's go down to our footer. Oh, I didn't do Etsy. So let's replace Facebook with the Etsy. I'm just going to paste this in. Don't do anything else. So the next two we need to look for is Instagram and LinkedIn. We'll just scroll back over. Instagram. Do a search. There's Instagram. So let's go ahead and click on it. Copy. Move back over. Highlight Instagram. Replace Instagram with the link that we are given. And then the last thing was LinkedIn. So let's go ahead and, oh, excuse me, we'll go for LinkedIn. Let's use this one. Notice that you have other options here. So there's different styles that can be done with it. Size 5x. So we'll go ahead and click this. Go back over and take LinkedIn and replace it. Notice that these all follow FAB and then FA-Etsy, FA-Instagram, FA-LinkedIn. So you could probably guess what an icon might look like, say for Facebook, if they had one. So just for fun, let's go ahead and paste this again, and I'm just going to add FA-Facebook. And we're going to see if it actually shows up or not. I have no idea if it will or not. So I'm going to hit save. Go back over and let's take a look at our page. Well, look at that. We've got our links. Now, if we wanted to do some, we could change the font. We could change the size. Actually, let's do Command 0. So that is what it would look like as default size. if we wanted to up the size a little bit, it probably wouldn't hurt any. I think they could stand a little bit more spacing. And the way we would do that is, of course, within the CSS. So if we go to the CSS, I'm going to scroll to the bottom where we have our footer styles. And that was in social media, a class of social media, and they are I for italics. So by saying class social media and then I after that, and that's saying I's within a social media div. And let's add some padding. We don't necessarily want padding top and bottom, but let's give it, say, 5 pixels. How about 0.5 EM, which will end up being about, if we have font size of 18, let's go up, font size of 18, 0.5 EM, or REM is the better one. That will give us about 9 pixels on each side. Let's save it. And there we have them nicely spaced out. And that is all there is to that. Have a great day.